Monday.com versus ClickUp versus Asana. Which one is better for project management? Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna compare Monday.com with ClickUp and Asana.com. We'll figure out which one of these project management software is better for you to use. So let's get into it. First of all, we have Monday.com, so you can get to the platform right here. Monday.com is a project management software and a CRM. Then we have ClickUp.com. So you can get to ClickUp.com. ClickUp is another project management software, really good for big teams that allows you to collaborate and manage your projects. Then we have Asana. Asana is also a really famous project management software. You can go to asana.com and you will land on the website right here. It will allow you to organize your work and get more productive. So let's actually compare them side by side and I'll show you each and everything. First of all, we have the signing up process. On Monday.com, the signing up process is you just have to click on Get Started and you have to enter your email address right here. Full access, no credit card required, and you can also sign up with your Google account. So that's the signing up process for Monday.com. Really easy. Signing up process for ClickUp. For ClickUp, again, you will have to hit sign up here and it will allow you to create your account. You can see sign up for free, and again, no credit card required here on ClickUp as well. You just have to enter your email address, click on Get ClickUp, and you will get your own account. Then we have Asana.com. For Asana as well, you're going to click on Get Started, and it will allow you to create your own account. So you just have to enter your email address right here, click on Sign Up, and you will get your own account on Asana. So as you can see, the signing up process for all of these platforms is quite similar and very easy. Now let's actually check out the dashboards one by one. So this is the dashboard for Monday.com. This is our main home. On Monday, we have different workspaces that we can create, and then each workspace can have its own boards, and then each board has its own groups and items. So we can get started with a new project right here. I'm going to actually open up this one right here. And now you can see we have a main workspace given on Monday, or you can create a workspace if you want. So you can just click right here and then click on Add Workspace. A new workspace will be created. Once you create a workspace, then you will get this Add button here, and it allows you to create a new board, new document, new dashboard. We also have a lot of different templates available on Monday. Within your template center, you will be able to select different projects and boards according to your niche. We have marketing, sales and CRM, freelancers, design, HR, product management. Then we have operations, education, startup, construction, nonprofit, and more. So you will select your project from here, your niche, and then you will create your own board. We can go with a simple project management board here, and it will give me the different statuses that I'm looking for. So once you create a board, this is the look on Monday.com. This is a main table. We can add different views. On Monday, we have table view, dashboard view, chart view, Kanban view, Gantt, cards, and file gallery as well. We can also get a calendar view with Monday.com. So once you add a view, you will also be able to add a team member. You can hit invite here at the top, and you will send an invitation to the member, and they will be able to join you. We have integrations available that will allow me to add any kind of integration to Monday. Inside Integration Center, we have Slack, Gmail, MailChimp, and a lot of different other softwares. Within Monday.com, you will just select a group, click on Add Task, and you will enter your task name. Let's call a test task. So I'm just going to call it test. Click enter and the task will be created. Now we can open it up. Here inside our task, we can add a description. We will be able to upload files. We can add assignee, and we can also add a due date. So it depends on the columns that you have created here. I have added an owner and an assignee here. We have a status. In status, you can select any kind of status. Then we have priority. So I'm going to select high priority for this one. And then we have the type, we have dependencies and due dates that we can add. So here it is actually a pretty good platform to go for project management. It is very good for large teams. And with Monday.com, we are also getting a CRM, which makes it stand out among others. So you should go ahead and check out Monday.com. This is how you will use it. After Monday, we have ClickUp. So this is my main dashboard on clickup.com after the sign up. So you can see on ClickUp, we have again different workspaces, and each workspace has its own boards and projects. We also get a default workspace. So you can see I have 3 workspaces created, and I'm going to go to this one right here and select this project management board. In order to create a new board, you can just hit new space, and it will allow you to then create different boards within a space. So you can see this is my project management board that I have created. For this one, you can actually start from the scratch as well. Then you will create different lists and statuses. On ClickUp, we also get the number of tasks that we have within a list here. In views, we have list view, we have board view, calendar view, Gantt, timeline, mind map, table, whiteboard, and we can add a view from this option here that will allow me to add more views. So views are available here on ClickUp as well. Then we have automate option and share. Click on share, and you just have to enter an email address of the person you want to invite, and you will be able to invite them to your board. In order to add a new task, we have this plus button right here. So we have a create task button right here. We can also create a task. If I just scroll down to the list here, we have this button, and then at the bottom we have task button too. So I'm going to click on new task and give my task a name. Let's just call it video production and hit enter. So here, let's call it test. So now you can see a task has been created. Let's open it up. With ClickUp again, we can add an assignee. Then we can set priorities. We can add a description, attach a file, add dependencies, create a to-do list, create subtask. Then we can add the created date. We can also track time and add a due date to our task. So all of these different fields are available within ClickUp. Once a task is done, it's very easy to move from one list to another. It's a simple drag and drop that we can do. On ClickUp at the bottom, we also have some other options such as record clip, we have track time, reminder, notepad, new document, calendar, and task tray. When it comes to integration, we can integrate a lot of different softwares and platforms into our ClickUp, and we can also switch between workspaces really easily. So this is how you will create a new task on ClickUp, and this is what the project will look like on clickup.com. Now let's check out Asana dashboard. After the initial sign up, this is where you will land. On Asana, we have our home, and again, we can create different projects on Asana too. And each project has its own list and task. In order to create a new project, you can just go to these projects right here or hit create project. Once you hit create project, you will be able to actually use a template as well. So you can check out the templates available in different niches on Asana. We have a content calendar, we have marketing, we have HR, sales, we have project management templates as well. Once you create a project, this is what it will look like. It is quite similar to Monday and, ClickUp. You can see again, we have different views. We have list view, we have a board view, we have timeline, calendar, workflow, dashboard, messages, and files. So these are the different views available here. I have selected a board view, and we can create different list here. We have to-do list, in progress, complete, and I can add a new list or a section here. Then we can create a new task by this button right here or click on add task here. Let's create a test task like this. Now let's open it up. So once the task is created, we will be able to now add an assignee. So I'm going to assign it to myself. Then we have a due date. I can add a due date. Then we have different projects. We have description. We can add comments here. We can attach files. We will be able to share our project as well. If you want to invite someone to the project, if you want to share it, you will hit this share button here, enter the email address, and you will be able to invite someone. Similarly, we can switch between the workspaces really easily and between the boards too. We also have an inbox. We have my task, reporting, and portfolios. Then again, when it comes to the project, we will be able to get a lot of different views here, and when it comes to the task, we can do a lot with it. We also have the customize option. Different automations are available too, and integrations are available on Asana as well. So this is how you will use asana.com. If we compare the dashboards, of course, Asana, Monday, and ClickUp have a very similar usage. You will be able to create boards and stuff like that. And then when it comes to ClickUp, it is actually very good for very large businesses as well as Asana. And if you're looking for a project management tool that also provides you a CRM, then you should check out monday.com. Now, let's compare the pricing. Up first, we have the pricing for monday.com. We have these pricing plans available. Individual is for $0 free forever. Basic is $8 per seat per month. Then we have a standard for $10 per seat per month, pro for $16 per seat per month, and enterprise. Pricing plan of ClickUp. We have a free plan available, unlimited for $5 per member per month, business for $12 per member per month, business plus for $19 per member per month, and enterprise. So you can see ClickUp is actually a little cheaper than Monday.com. And then we have Asana. So Asana has three plans, a basic for $0, premium for $10.99, and business for $24.99 per month. So you can see Monday, ClickUp, and Asana are giving us a basic plan for $0 and we can get started for free. And then we also have business plans to give us more features. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help and now you know the difference between Monday, ClickUp, and Asana. You know everything to make an informed decision which platform is better for you to use for your business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.